And I'm back. The 30-day Shiba challenge. Day number 6. We buy Shiba every day for 30 straight days. Let's get into this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. The price of Shiba is this right now, but we're still gonna buy Shiba anyway. Are you with me today? Day number 6. So we've been buying Shiba every day, well, for the last 5 days in Coinbase.com. You can go look at my wallet history, and you will see ever since the 8th, we have made positions each and every single time. So we're gonna go ahead and buy once again, buy Shiba on Coinbase.com. Now we're going to buy $50 worth once again, and we've been doing that the last 3 days. I kind of like that for whatever reason. It's a nice spot, and it may not be $50 every day, but it's gonna be as low as $10. I'll let you know that as well. So let's go ahead and buy this right now. And it went through. So now it has been submitted here, and we have that already in store. So I'm gonna view the transaction, being completely transparent with you, and I'm gonna click on here and put this actually in the captain spreadsheet that we have listed right here. Now, yesterday we spent $50, but it was only $1.99 in terms of fees. The fees is low. I know. Keep watching. So anyway, let me go ahead and paste the actually asset in here. So let me go ahead and do this. Now you notice I spent $50 the last 3 days, but the price went down a little bit, so I got a little bit more extra Shiba. As you see here, very transparent. So let's go look at the price. The price is this, which is lower than it was yesterday. But this is long term for us. We're just basically building up our Shiba bag. I know you are as well, watching at home or driving in the car. We're trying to grow the Shiba bag for long term. So this is $48, $1.99. That seems to be working pretty well. Let's go ahead and format this as well. And voila, that's it. We have bought Shiba for basically $48.01. Now, if I go down here, we have 9.7 million Shiba in the last 6 days. We've been making the positions every single day since October 8th. So if I go back down here, we're gonna go right to the November 6th, and then we're gonna make a decision. Now, Saitama and 𝐿 is on deck, like I've been mentioning, but we may extend Shiba a little bit longer. We'll see where we are at the end of the actually 30-day challenge. Now, what I also have done, I tweeted this out, let you know, day number 6 of 30, Shiba buying challenge is complete. Who's with me? The same thing we've been doing for the last 5 to 6 days. So we in the book here. We bought Shiba on Coinbase.com. Here's the price of Shiba. It actually went down since that position, but that's okay. But we'll be back tomorrow buying Shiba. And also we tweeted it out, being transparent, and we're putting it in our captain spreadsheet. And if I go down, that is the price that we've done, $314.09 in terms of Shiba. But the fees is only $12.91, which is not that bad. But more importantly, we got 9.7 million Shiba in the last 6 days. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Hey, if you want to start the challenge, I do have the Coinbase.com or Coinbase link in the description box. You can click on there, sign up for your free account, and start buying Shiba. Or eToro, I also have that in the link, or in the description box in the link. You can actually get $50 worth of Shiba if you use eToro. And I'll show you this. This is eToro right now. And you see that $50, you can get that $50 once you trade $100 or more on their platform. You'll get $50, I get the $50, so we both win. So click on the eToro link and sign up on the free account. And if you trade $100 or more, you will get $50. I think it's a win-win. I believe it's a win-win for the both of us. So check it out. I'll see you on the next video. Actually, I'll see you on the next challenge, which will be tomorrow, day number 7. Have a good day.